Installing Kohler Vanities. This animation is intended as a supplement. Refer to the installation instructions included with your product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instructions. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: safety glasses, measuring tape, pencil, level, wood screws, Phillips screwdriver, drill with 1/8 inch drill bit, siliconized acrylic caulk, rags, 2x8s, stud finder, drywall, and drywall tools. Follow all local plumbing and building codes. 2 people should perform this installation. To properly support the weight of the vanity, secure the vanity to stud framing or 2x8 support behind the finished wall. Install the vanity to studs behind the wall, spaced 16 inches apart. A stud must be located a maximum of 3 inches from each side of the vanity. A distance greater than 3 inches requires 2x8 support to be installed behind the finished wall. If installing 2x8 support, install 2x8s between the wall studs at the desired vanity location. The height from the finished floor to the top of the 2x8 support should be 34.5 inches and flush with the front of the wall studs. If 2x8 support cannot be added behind the wall, install the optional legs. A video demonstrating vanity installation with legs is also available. Plan for routing supply and drain piping for your desired sink installation. For proper installation, the waste pipe must be centered with the vanity. To ensure proper support and alignment, the finished wall must be straight and plumb. The floor must be flat and perpendicular to the finished wall. Measure 34.5 inches up from the finished floor and make a mark. From the marked line, measure 7.5 inches down and draw a second mark. Using a stud finder, locate and mark the center of each stud. With assistance, position the vanity to where it will be installed on the wall. Confirm that the waste pipe fits within the cutout on the back side of the vanity. Adjust the vanity position as needed. Mark each end of the vanity, and then set the vanity aside. Measure and mark the center point of the vanity. Measure and mark the center point of the hanger. Position the hanger at the second line and align the center points. Verify that the hanger is level. Drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole at the center mark of each outside stud. Using a drill with a T30 Torx drill bit, secure the hanger to the wall with the T30 Torx head screws. With assistance, lift and position the vanity onto the hanger. Verify that the vanity is level and plumb against the wall. The vanity must be secured to all studs or the 2x8 support in the top rail of the vanity. From inside the vanity, measure 1.5 inches below the top edge of the vanity and make a mark at each stud location. If the corner bracing is in the way, measure 2.5 inches below the top edge of the vanity and make a mark. If securing to 2x8 support, measure 2.5 inches in from the outside of the vanity and make a mark. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill a pilot hole at each of the marked locations. Using a drill with a provided T30 Torx drill bit, secure the vanity to the wall with the provided T30 Torx head screws. Remove door handles and drawer pulls that are attached to the inside of the cabinet or packaged separately. If different length screws are provided, use the longer screws to attach the drawer pulls and the shorter screws to attach the door handles. If possible, install the faucet before installing the vanity top. Open the vanity doors and drawers, then apply a thin bead of siliconized acrylic caulk around the top of the vanity. With assistance, position the countertop on the vanity and gently press down until the countertop is level. Wipe away any excess caulk. Install the drain to the sink, then complete the faucet and drain connections. Turn on the water and check all connections for leaks.